Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. So nice to have you join me. It's been a little while since I have made a video. I have been away visiting my family. My daughter and my grandbabies had a splendid time, but I always bring back a souvenir cold. So I may sound a little nasal. Forgive me for that. Anyways, let's get started on this Traveler's Notebook sized journal. It has a purse-like closure, a little flap that comes over, and it has a sari silk tie closure. Beautiful fabric. I love these little cherubs, kind of all scattered around here. These beautiful, lovely florals. Just love this fabric. It's a very feminine, romantic, shabby, chic themed journal. And this is cloth over cardstock, and this is the cardstock inside printed. And we have here a Tim Holtz pocket with lots of little tiny pieces of ephemera that you can either journal on or use to decorate the inside of your journal with. Here, lovely digital paper, some vintage paper. And you know, this vintage paper, you can do what you like to it, but one thing you can do is you can tear it out and just use it as labels or pieces of collage if you want to play in your journal and decorate it even more. I have some washi tape throughout here as well. So in this journal, I have these beautiful digital photos that I have altered or tucked inside here and there. And I put in some words. And I don't usually do the words, but I went ahead and did that. Make today beautiful. And so these tags, I've made several of these tags in here. There's some beeswax washi tape along the side, beautiful ribbon. Just these pictures are just so romantic and just lovely. Love this piece from a Ideal magazine. I thought the house photo would just really set this off. And here is a pocket full of journaling cards. Excuse me. Love this pink cherry tree like blossom thing in that photo. Here is some tracing paper that I've printed over, and you can write here and then see your writing. It'd be very lovely. This here is, this paper is from the magazine. It's pretty good quality, so you could probably paint gesso over here and write over it, or just collage over it. I have some stenciling that I've done with some Tim Holtz Distress ink on this tea stained paper. Here's another one of those tags with some embossed background. Love peonies. Thought this was beautiful. Be in the moment, some vintage lace on the bottom there. Little journaling fairy card there stuck in the side and sewn all the way around with a little cloth tab. Here is parchment paper that I printed a digital receipt on, and I put some washi tape throughout there. And this is a heart that's made out of felt, and I've stitched around it with a piece of cloth and stamped. That opens up to a little tiny seed packet that has another little fairy stuck inside there, a little flower fairy, and a journaling card in the side tuck like that. Some vintage music paper. I've done a little bit of texture paste there on the side. A vellum pocket that I've stuck in a couple of cute little butterflies that you can either journal on or use to decorate your journal with. A couple of lovely floral cards. And more vintage paper there. More journaling cards stuck in the side. A little pocket with kindness. Here's a bag with another one of these beautiful digitals. Then collaged. A little bit of fabric that's collaged here with a little stitch. And in the middle signature is a little owl. I like to put little owl charms in my journals. And here is a cute little tag with a bit of lace and ribbon. A little ticket there stuck inside this pocket. Here's another one of those gorgeous photos. Take time to smell the flowers. And inside this here is a extra journaling card stuck in the side there with a little cloth tab, little ribbon. So I have clipped in a lot of these pieces of ephemera so that you could rearrange them or use them as you would like. Another lovely photo inside here with a cloth collage. Here is a file folder. And it has a little bit of lace there and a place for journaling, or you could put photographs inside here as well. That would be really a nice photo mount inside that. But more texture paste on the vintage music page. And this opens up here, and inside this pocket that has Enjoy the Journey, I have a couple more lovely journaling cards. Here, let me get a better look at that. Yeah, these photos are just stunning. More parchment paper. Here's a flip out with a pocket. Some more of these photos stuck inside there. And coming to the end, a belly band with an envelope. And inside another lovely photograph that says grateful. I'll put that in later. Here is a tag with some beeswax overlay, and I put on a photograph with good things take time, but you can lift this up and journal on the inside if you'd like, or put photographs in, whatever you would like to do with that. And here's the other side of that lovely house. And here is another envelope with a little card on the inside stuck on right there. And that is the journal. I love it. It's just so feminine. It's a beautiful Mother's Day gift. If you know somebody who loves flowers and loves to journal, I think it would be a great gift, or a gift to yourself. So this will be available in my gift shop, but I hope this gave you some inspiration on how to use those use photographs. I will link down below how I put together some of those tags in there with those photographs. And my next project, I'm going to go into the opposite direction again. And I have this old beat up, very beat up old book that I'm going to use the cover, cut it down, and make like a, maybe a little bit bigger than a mini journal, but a very small journal, very grungy. Just love it. And inside has a lot of cool pages to use, as well as other pages I'll be putting in there. So that's going to be what I'm going to be working on in the future. I like to, my style is very eclectic, so I kind of like go back and forth. And thank you so much for watching, and we will see you talk to you real soon. Bye.